In this video, I will show you how to start auto-posting your WordPress post in Facebook. Let's get started with the video. In WordPress plugin settings page, we need to search for this blog2 social plugin. We need to install and activate it and continue with the process. Next, we need to click blog2 social tab on the left side of the page. Under blog2 social tab, we need to click Networks option. On the right side of the page, we have all the social media site, which we can connect and auto-post. In Facebook, we can auto-post on Facebook profile and Facebook page. First, we need to click this Facebook button and authorize to connect and post in Facebook site. Here, we need to allow all permission to auto-post on the Facebook page. So here, we need to select the groups and pages that we want to auto-post on Facebook to. And we are done connecting blog2 social and Facebook. Whenever we start posting on our WordPress site, the same will be auto-posted to Facebook pages. Similarly, we can authorize and connect other social media sites to auto-post in same manner with blog2 social plugin setup. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.